When employees and business groups store your company's vital business data in the cloud, you can see big benefits: lower storage costs, improved collaboration, and quick support for new projects. But it also means that sensitive, regulated data you've always kept safe is going off premises and out of your control. Your legal and compliance groups want you to stop these employees and business groups from putting the company's data at risk. Their cloud security concerns are real. You don't always know who's accessing your data. Many of your traditional perimeter defenses have no impact. You lack visibility and confidence in your cloud provider security. Cloud environments attract hackers because they hold so much valuable data, and governments may issue subpoenas and gain access to your data without your consent. Your business could risk failing compliance audits or incurring a breach. Are you prepared for what can happen if your regulated and sensitive data makes it into the cloud? There is a simple, effective way to keep your employees and business groups productive, efficient, and competitive while satisfying the concerns of your legal team and compliance office. Implement strong encryption, key management, and access controls with Vormetric. For more than a decade, organizations have trusted the Vormetric data security platform to secure their most sensitive data. With the Vormetric Cloud Encryption Gateway, you can extend the Vormetric data security platform capabilities to secure cloud storage, including enterprise file sync and sharing services and object sharing services. With the Vormetric Cloud Encryption Gateway, unencrypted data and encryption keys never leave your premises. Getting started is easy. First, activate the Gateway Virtual Appliance on your premises, keeping encryption keys under your control by storing them in the Vormetric Data Security Manager. All corporate data destined for cloud storage passes through the gateway, which checks your policy, then encrypts the data and logs access before sending it on to be stored safely in the cloud. Users must be authorized by the gateway before they can retrieve secure data, and only when access is approved will the gateway decrypt the data while logging the user's activities. What happens if a user bypasses the gateway and puts data directly into a protected directory? You're still safe. The Cloud Encryption Gateway monitors and detects unencrypted data and automatically encrypts it, so the user will have to be authorized and logged by the gateway before they can access it again. Even if a hacker, cloud administrator, government agency official, or any other unauthorized user gains access to the cloud location housing your data, you don't have to worry about a breach. They can't read the data in the encrypted files because only your authorized users have access to the decryption keys. Best of all, configuring the Vormetric Cloud Encryption Gateway is quick and easy. The Cloud Encryption Gateway can secure multiple cloud services simultaneously. Each cloud service you want to protect requires a license to enable a Vormetric security blade in the gateway. For this demo, we're adding and configuring a security blade for Amazon S3. After you've enabled the security blade, you'll need to add specific administrator account credentials to give the Cloud Encryption Gateway access to your Amazon S3 account. You can customize log settings to rotate logs based on the size and number of log files stored. You can also set log verbosity levels depending on your needs. The last step is to add security permissions for your users, either leveraging your on-premises Active Directory or Amazon S3. Here, we're using our on-premises Active Directory. After clicking Add User, you'll be prompted to create access permission policies. The gateway allows you to assign a specific individual or group to a specific Amazon S3 role. In addition, you can define whether the user has clear text access to the files residing in specific Amazon S3 buckets. That's it. It's quick and easy to protect your data headed for Amazon S3. Now you can look at logs, which provide detailed visibility into how your users are accessing Amazon S3. Each log entry contains details like date and time of access, action, files accessed, if the operation was successful, and more. The Vormetric Cloud Encryption Gateway dashboard summarizes status across appliances and enabled security service blades. From here, you can quickly see your resource and license usage for all enabled security blades, as well as total, successful, and failed access requests for each service you're protecting. You'll also be able to quickly identify the high availability and health status of your gateway virtual appliances, the top 10 users, and the top 10 IP addresses accessing your protected services. Your users and business groups rely on the cloud to collaborate more efficiently and to extend their storage. With the Vormetric Cloud Encryption Gateway, you can let them work the way they want to, while ensuring security and compliance is never compromised. Your cloud-bound data is fully protected. You can see all the data that's being transferred on and off your premises. And because this solution is part of the Vormetric Data Security Platform, you'll always be ready to meet new data at rest security requirements. Your users love cloud file sharing. Now your security team can too.